Solving simultaneous equation by substitution method. Two equations are given. 3x minus 3y equals to 9. 2x plus y equals to 12. We will solve by substitution method. So equation 1, and let this be equation 2. From equation 1, we will take out the value of x. 3x minus 3y equals to 9. 3x is equal to 9 plus 3y. Minus 3y is shifted on the right-hand side. So minus 3y becomes plus 3y. X is equal to 9 plus 3y divided by 3. This is the value of x. We will substitute this value in equation number 2. So equation number 2 will become 2x plus y is equal to 12. This is equation number 2. After substituting the value of x is 9 plus 3y divided by 3 plus y is equal to 12. Now we need to solve. 2 9s are 18 plus 2 3s are 6. Whole divided by 3 plus y minus 12. 12 will come on this side, so it becomes minus 12 is equal to 0. Now you have to take LCM of these 4 terms. What is the LCM? It is 3. So 18 plus 6y plus 3y minus 12 3s are 36. Now 3 will be multiplied by 0, cross multiplied. So 3 and 0 will give you 0, right? So we need to continue further. After taking LCM, which is 3, what is the numerator term? 18 plus 6y plus 3y minus 12 3s are 36 equals to 0. So we will continue further. 3 will be multiplied by 0. So it will become 0. So now we got 18 plus 9y. This and this, 6y and 3y, these are the like terms. You can add them. It will be 9y. Minus 36 equals to 0. Now you can add constants also. 18 minus 36. You can add because these are the constants. These are the like terms. You will get minus 18. So 9y minus 18 is equal to 0. From here, you can get the value of y. 9y is equal to 18. Y is equal to 18 divided by 9. From here, you can get the value of y. Y is equal to 9 2s are 18. Y is equal to 2. This is the value of y. Y equals to 2. Now you can substitute y equals to 2 in equation number 1 or equation number 2 to get the value of x, right? So y is equal to 2, let's substitute. pi is equal to 2. We are finding x now. Let's substitute this value y is equal to 2 in equation number 1. 3x minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 9. 3x minus 6 is equal to 9. So now you can shift 6 on the other side. 9 plus 6. From here you can find the value of x. Now 9 plus 6 will give you 15. From here you can find the value of x. 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 divided by 3. X is equal to 5. X is 5 and y is 2. Right? So your solution set is 5, 2. This is the answer. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. Now we will do verification. We substitute these two values, 5, 2, in the question, and it will be satisfied. 5, 2, let's start verification. How to verify our answers? What is the answer? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. This step is called verification. Let's verify from equation number 1. What is equation number 1? 3x minus 3y is equal to 9. Substitute these two values. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. 15 minus 6 is 9. So 9 is equal to 9. The equation is satisfied. You can do verification by using equation number 2, which is 2x plus y is equal to 12. Substitute the value of x, which is 5. What is y? It is 2. You should get 12. 5 2s are 10, and this is 2, so 12 is equal to 12. So both the equations are verified. Both the equations are satisfied, 5, 2. So this is your answer for this question of simultaneous equations. Let's do one more question of solving simultaneous equations by substitution method. Next question is 2x plus y minus 18 equals to 0. 3y is equal to 7x plus 80. So equation number 1 and equation number 2. We are solving by substitution method. So from equation number 2, you can take out the value of y. What is equation 2? It is 3y is equal to 7x plus 80. Take out the value of y. 7x plus 80. Whole divided by 3. This is the value of y. Substitute this value of y in equation number 1 to find x. What is equation number 1? It is 2x plus y minus 18 is equal to 0. So what is the next step? We are substituting the value of y, which is 7x plus 80 divided by 3 minus 18 is equal to 0. Let's take the LCM, which is 3. And 0 is already there on the right-hand side. So after taking LCM, which is 3, what is the numerator term? 3 2s are 6. Now 7x plus 80. You should not multiply anything with 7x plus 80 because the denominator is already 3. And here also you got 3, LCM is 3. 18 should be multiplied by 3. This 18 should be multiplied by 3. So 18 multiplied by 3 will give you 54. Right? Now you have to solve the like terms. We are solving the like terms now. What are the like terms? 6x plus 7x. These are the like terms. And constants are also like term. So let's add 7x and 6x. 6x and 7x will give you 13x. Now 80 and 54, 80 minus 54. These are the constants, these are the like terms. 80 minus 54 will give you 26 plus 26. Why plus? Because sign of the bigger integer will come and 80 is bigger. And 80 has positive sign, so that is why positive is there in the answer. Divided by 3 is equal to 0. Now 3 and 0 will be multiplied. So 3 and 0 will be multiplied together to get 0. 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. You can find the value of x. 13x is equal to minus 26. X is equal to minus 26 divided by 13. So x is equal to 13 to the 26. X is equal to minus 2. This is the value of x. X is equal to minus 2. You can find y. Y is already here in equation number 2. Right? So x is equal to minus 2 will be substituted in equation number 2. Or you can find from equation 1 also. Anyway, we are finding from equation number 2. We will substitute x is equal to negative 2. X is equal to negative 2. Equation number 2, this is the value of y, which you take out in your initial steps. And then you substitute it to take out the value of x. This is the value of y. 7x plus 80 divided by 3. Divided by 3. We are substituting the value of x, which is minus 2. Y is equal to 7 multiplied by minus 2 plus 80 whole divided by 3. What is the next step? Y is equal to minus 14. 7 multiplied by minus 2 will give you minus 14 plus 80 divided by 3. Now you have to solve 80 minus 14 or minus 14 plus 80, which will give you 66 divided by 3. So 66 divided by 3 will give you 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 22. This is the value of y. y is equal to 22 and x is equal to -2. This is the solution set. -2, 22. Now let's verify our answer. -2, 22. -2 and 22. How to verify? Substitute in the given question and the equations will be satisfied. I'm substituting in equation number 1. 2x plus y minus 18, you should get 0. What is the value of x, which you have just completed? It is -2. What is the value of y? 22. Minus 18, check. 0 should come. 2 multiplied by -2 is -4. Plus 22 minus 18. 22 minus 18 is +4, which will give you 0. So the equation is satisfied. So what is the answer? What is the solution said? Is -2, 22. This is the answer. And you have verified also. So like this, you have to solve the given simultaneous equations by substitution method. Another method is elimination method, which is done. So this is the substitution method. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment and then I'll reply. Thank you so much for this session.